Hi kids! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw and color a super cool ladder. It's so easy and fun. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. So, grab your black marker and let's get started. First, let's draw two long, vertical bars slightly slanted toward each other. These will be the sides of our ladder. Now, let's add the steps. Draw horizontal lines connecting the two bars from top to bottom. Make sure to leave equal spaces between them. Awesome! Our ladder is coming together nicely. Next, draw another vertical bar slightly behind the ladder. Connect it with diagonal lines to the steps.
La da 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 dee.
Perfect! Now the ladder looks sturdy and ready to use. Grab your black marker again and go over the entire drawing to make the outline bold and sharp. Whoa! Doesn't that look amazing? Great job, everyone! Now it's time to color. Let's use bright rainbow colors. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Wow, you did such an amazing job! Your colorful ladder looks fantastic. Don't forget to share your artwork with your friends and family. See you next time for more fun drawings. Bye-bye! Yay! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.